How to answer? What is the life of a cabin crew? Sample answer. The life of a cabin crew is dynamic and exciting. It involves meeting and interacting with a diverse range of people from different cultures and backgrounds. It requires excellent communication skills, adaptability, and the ability to work well under pressure. Cabin crew member Cabin crew members also have a responsibility to ensure the safety and well-being of passengers during flights. While it can be physically demanding and involve in regular working hours, the opportunities for personal and professional growth as well as the chance to explore different destinations make it a rewarding career choice.